It's Thursday, August 17th. And the big news on Ravelry today is Joji Locatelli is putting all of her single patterns on sale until August 30th. So if you didn't get that hint or email or didn't know that ahead of time, I'm telling you now. And so they are 25% off, which is pretty nice. All her single patterns. So there is a pass code. There is a code that you put in. So I'm going to tell you what that is in case you can't find that. So this is all lowercase. Joji, J-O-J-I. It's pronounced Joji. So Joji, fall, F-A-L-L-K-A-L, knit along. 2023. Joji Fall KAL 2023. So that's my hint for today. And one of the first patterns that shows up is the Cloud Peak Cardigan, which is beautiful. It has a cable down the front, cables down the sleeves. She's done it in a blend that has some alpaca in it, I believe. So I am suggesting, and it's worsted weight, so I am suggesting the Rae Yarns Cozy Alpaca, which I showed you the other night. It is so soft and so squishy. It is the correct gauge. There's 178 yards in each skein. So I have many, many colors. I didn't bring them all, but I have tons of colors. So if you want to consider this yarn, I think it would be perfect. Really, really beautiful and so soft and cozy. So that's my hint for tonight. Joji Locatelli, why don't you do the Cloud Peak Cardigan? Cloud Peak Cardigan. Look it up on Ravelry. It's beautiful. Very, very nice. What else do I need to tell you? I don't know. Just had a nice meeting with my team. I'm so lucky to have such a great team. They have so many great ideas. We're brainstorming and we're having an idea about posting not all, but whenever you finish something that you're proud of. And over the years, we've taken tons and tons of photographs, but we really rarely get them up and out so people can see them. So we're brainstorming about ways to show off all of your work in the store. So stay tuned. I think we're going to try and figure it out, and I think it'll be pretty good. It might be a big project, but anyway, and I have pictures from practically the beginning of time, and next year is our 20th year. Get over that. So we'll do a little trip down memory lane maybe, huh? Sounds like a lot of fun. All right, I think that's all I have for you today. Have a wonderful evening. The sun is shining. And I don't know how hot it is. I haven't been out there today. So I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, it will be Friday. All right. I'll see you then.